Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a popular business management software that is used by many freelancers and small businesses. But is it really a CRM? That's what we're going to find out in this video. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you find this video helpful. What is a CRM? Before we can answer the question of whether HoneyBook is a CRM, we need to understand what a CRM is. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, is a software that helps businesses manage their customer relationships. CRMs can track customer data, such as contact information, purchase history, and support requests. They can also help businesses automate tasks, such as sending emails and creating invoices. What are the features of HoneyBook? HoneyBook offers a wide range of features, including contact management. HoneyBook allows you to store and manage your customer contacts, including their name, email address, phone number, and website. Project management. HoneyBook helps you keep track of your projects and tasks and ensure that they are completed on time and on budget. Proposal creation. HoneyBook allows you to create professional proposals that can be sent to your clients. Invoicing and billing. HoneyBook helps you create and send invoices to your clients and track their payments. Lead management. HoneyBook helps you capture and manage leads from your website and other marketing channels. Time tracking. HoneyBook allows you to track your time on projects and tasks and generate reports to see how you are spending your time. Collaboration. HoneyBook allows you to collaborate with your team members on projects and tasks. Marketing automation. HoneyBook allows you to automate your marketing tasks, such as sending email newsletters and creating social media posts. Is HoneyBook a CRM? So, is HoneyBook a CRM? The answer is yes and no. HoneyBook does offer some CRM features, such as contact management, lead management, and proposal creation. However, HoneyBook is not a full-featured CRM. It lacks some of the more advanced features that are typically found in CRMs, such as sales forecasting and customer segmentation. Is HoneyBook a good choice for freelancers and small businesses? If you are a freelancer or small business owner, HoneyBook can be a good choice for you. HoneyBook is easy to use and offers a wide range of features that can help you manage your business. However, if you are looking for a full-featured CRM, you may want to consider another option. In conclusion, HoneyBook is a business management software that offers some CRM features, but it is not a full-featured CRM. HoneyBook can be a good choice for freelancers and small businesses who are looking for an easy-to-use and affordable solution to manage their customer relationships. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you are interested in learning more about HoneyBook, please visit their website. Thank you for watching.